إنا نحن نزلنا الذكر وإنا له لحافظون. The Holy Quran says, "Verily, we ourselves have sent down this exhortation, and most surely we will be its guardian." The Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, "Inna alladhi laysa fi jawfihi shay'un min al-Qur'ani kal baytil kharibi." Verily, a person who does not have even a small portion from the Holy Quran in his heart is like a ruined house. According to the history, the first Hafizul Quran who memorized the Holy Quran was the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam himself, and he also recommended to his companions to memorize the Holy Quran, and by the grace of Allah they obeyed him in very fine manner and served the Holy Quran in a best way. Then the guided successors who were Khulafai Rashideen of the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam also memorized the Holy Quran as well, and all of them served the Holy Quran in their life. Thousands of other companions, meaning Sahaba Rizwanullahi alayhim ajma'in, also memorized it, which shows their true love for the holy book of Allah. Different ways of memorizing the Holy Quran. Always start with the prayer that may Allah make it easy for us to memorize it and enable us to keep refreshing our memory through constant revision. Ameen. Most of the people feel very easy to memorize the Holy Quran from the ending part, that is the part named Amma Yatasa'alun. I also felt very easy while memorizing the Holy Quran. So if someone wants to start memorizing the 30th part, he will start with A'udhu Billahi Minash Shaitanir Rajim, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, Amma Yatasa'alun, Amma Yatasa'alun. After 3 or 4 times, a stage will come when you will get memorized these two words. Then if you put the hand and just memorize with your own thinking, Amma yatasa'alun, you will feel that you have memorized these two words. Then you will shift to the next ayat or next verse, that is Anin Nabail Azim. This verse consists of 3 words, Anin Nabail Azim. After revising 2 or 3 times, you will put the hand, in fact all 2 verses, both verses, you will keep hand on them, and then you will memorize by revising them, Amma yatasa'alun anin nabail azim. If you think that you have memorized it correctly, so you can shift to the next verse. If you think that you have not memorized it correctly, you can start again. And I myself, I have also done the hifz of the Holy Quran in this manner. So sometime it becomes easy to memorize in this kind of method. A portion that you memorize in a single sitting can be named as a lesson. When you memorize 7 lessons, start reading them regularly upon any of your family member or friend to see if it is well memorized along with the upcoming lesson. When you completely memorize half or one part of the Holy Quran, name it a manzil, and make it possible to read out upon someone available every day or after 1 or 2 days in order to refresh the previous lessons. Read the memorized part in your prayers. This will help you a lot to keep memorizing the Holy Quran. Listening to the various recitations will also help to memorize any part miraculously. Remember, daily revision is essential because it is easy to memorize the Holy Quran, but it is very difficult to keep memorized without revision. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu.
जमालो हुस्न कुरआन नूर जाने हर मुसलमान है, कमर है चांद औरों का हमारा चांद कुल